a landscape with a temple on a boulder. We are going to draw and paint a rural landscape this time. I painted the background with a lot of water in brush, and I am painting the ground with the same treatment. A mark brush is a great choice when it comes to spreading color in broad areas. A flat brush comes handy to get this particular pattern of painting. With a broad brush, we need to be careful not to spoil the drawing. The palms. Variation in the size of two palm trees create a sense of depth and distance. The detailing in rocks. Introducing brighter colors. A quick recap of the entire process is coming up next. Stage 1. Stage 2. The third stage. Stage 4. The fifth stage. And the final stage. If you like this video and wish to see more of these, then please subscribe my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. I wish you happy painting.